So in accordance with our subject, it is also included the classification of criminals according to Cesar Lombroso. So there are three classifications of criminals according to Cesar Lombroso. So we have born criminal, insane criminals, and criminaloids. So when we are referring to born criminals, we are referring on how individuals having physical anomalies compared to those who do not have abnormalities. So it is not like the insane criminals and criminaloids, but rather when we are referring to born criminals, this prove that traits is literally inherited by our ancestors. And second po is the insane criminals. So they are not criminal from birth. They become criminal as part or as a result of change in the brain which interferes with their ability to distinguish between right and wrong. So meaning to say, they become criminals because of the change in the brain which interfere with their ability to distinguish between right and wrong. So discernment, meaning to say we have the ability to know what is right and wrong. But this time, since they are insane criminal, they are not in their normal state for thinking. So this will be the reason why or the cause why they will be committing a crime. And somehow, they are irrational thinker and they are mentally unstable. So such as the psychotics, imbecile, idiots, and epileptics. And the third is the criminaloids. So it includes habitual criminals, criminals by passion, and other diverse types. So they are pulled to criminality because of passion, or they are pulled to criminality because of environmental consequences. So, yung motivated by passion ay such as yung love, yung hatred, yung honor na meron yung isang tao. Kaya po sila ay namomotivate na makakommit ng crime. So, those are the three classifications of criminals according to Cesar Lombroso.